Hi, today's preparation is chicken liver with caramelized onions and ginger wine. Half kilo of chicken liver cut into two pieces, and this is one big onion sliced thinly, turmeric powder, pepper powder, salt. Now I'm going to marinate the chicken liver with the turmeric, pepper, and salt and little vinegar, and keep it aside for about 10 minutes. Added about 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, and about 3/4 teaspoon of salt. I'll add little vinegar, about 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Placed a pan and added about 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to add the marinated chicken livers into it and fry it. So fry it in batches so that it gets fried and browned, and then remove it. Now the chicken livers are getting fried, and once one batch is over, I'll do the second one and then remove them into a plate. Then add the onions, the sliced onion, and fry it till it become brown. The chicken are fried. Now I've added a little more oil into the same pan and frying the onions till they become brown. Then I'm going to add back the liver and then add ginger wine, about 1/4 cup. You can add port wine or sherry for instead of ginger wine, but I'm adding ginger wine. And then I'll garnish it with coriander leaves or parsley chopped. Add a quarter teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of pepper powder and continue frying for a minute. Now it's nearly done, so I'll add the chicken liver. Chicken livers are added. Mix well. Now I'll add the ginger wine. Ginger wine is added and mixing again, and then I'll remove it. That's it. Chicken liver with caramelized onions and ginger wine.